Look at this guy, true professional. One shot. Look at that. Oh, I spoke too soon. Spoke too soon. Always cool when friends stop by, especially ones with cool trucks. Figured I'd make a little video. This is my good friend Mike from New York. His 1988 W900B. Really cool old truck. Found it up in Vermont a while back. Fixed it up. It was in the weeds. 3406C mechanical Caterpillar. 13 speed. I love them stripes and the colors. Really nice. Nice step deck trailer. Stopped by to visit on his way down to Florida. Always cool when friends stop to visit, or I'm able to visit friends on the road. When he first sent me this truck, I loved it the first time I seen it. Actually, I wrote a little article on it in Large Car Mag a few years ago. I don't remember what month or year or date. I don't remember that kind of stuff, but definitely was worthy of a little article. I believe it was factory with an Aerodyne sleeper on it, and I believe the sleeper got hit or something, and they put this flat top on it. And it originally had a B model cat, and they put a C model cat in it. And Mike has since changed the engine as well. This was another engine that he had, and he rebuilt and put in here. Real cool setup though. I've always liked these W900Bs. They're definitely a little different, and especially nowadays becoming rare with the factory paint jobs and stripes, and you know how trucks should have been and how they were. How guys like me like trucks, but you know, times have changed. But we're trying to keep it, I guess, keep it how it was, or enjoy it a little bit. But yeah, I hope everybody enjoys this video. I'll try to bring some more cool stuff if I can. Old B model looks really good, all lit up. And earlier, in my earlier video, I was mistaken. The truck came with this 60-inch flat top from the factory, and then the man ordered a brand new Aerodyne sleeper later on, and had it installed, and then that got damaged, and they put the 60-inch flat top back on. Cool old truck though. Sounds good too.